Welcome back to Mrs. B Lux, L-I-F-E. I am Sarita, and I was sitting here talking for about good 6 minutes before I noticed that I wasn't recording. I just tore this off. Once again, this is the gift that we're about to open. It is one of my birthday gifts, and I cannot believe I was not recording. I'm looking at the thing now, counting. But welcome back to Mrs. B Lux, L-I-F-E. I am Sarita, and we're going to unbox my birthday gift. How y'all doing? Because clearly the coffee's not doing it for me. It has been a crazy week. I know we have to break down the bags. We're going to get to it. Y'all will see it before my birthday probably. Yeah, it's about 4 or 5 over there. 5 or 6 over there. Oh my goodness, y'all. Oh my goodness. But today we are here. They extra security. This one, honey. I don't know if I have the scissors in here. I don't think I do. Let me see if I can use this pen. I don't think that's gonna work, y'all. No, it's not gonna work. Oh, look, I can peel the tape. Lord. Baby, they did not want nobody to get. Yeah, well, I thank them for that, but Lord. Okay. But this is something, some of y'all are going to laugh. Because what is, it's like a 3rd time's the charm. This is more of like a 4th time. Yeah, but it's a keeper this time because I couldn't stop thinking about it. I couldn't stop thinking about it, and it is just like, stop it. Stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it. So here we are. Goodness. Okay. Lord. Okay. Y'all see it? Okay. Y'all know I gotta get my little, what the thing is? Y'all know the thing to look at. Yeah. Oh my goodness. I should have figured out another way to do this. Okay. This is from my client advisor. Authentic. I know I gotta put that out there now. Oh my goodness, my goodness, my goodness. Okay. Goodness gracious, y'all. Okay. So let's unbox. Go ahead, guess. Go ahead, guess. All right, all right. I don't know if y'all guessed or not, but yeah. Yeah. Oh my goodness gracious. And it's in the old box. Y'all. It's the Chinese New Year card. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Oh, it just says, is it an open? Oh, well, I guess you just, I don't know. It's just one card and one envelope. I guess, I don't know. But it's cute. Does it open? No, look how it is on the side. I don't know, child. Let me put it in here. I guess it go in this envelope. I don't know. I guess she just slipped it in there for good luck for me. I don't know. Because I've only gotten the Gucci Chinese New Year, and it was a set of cards. This is new. So, okay, got that. But let's see what we have in here. Oh, and look, I have some samples. Ooh. I got 3 samples. What are they? Oh, well, spelling you I need to go and get some refills, but I've not tried the, what is that, Lovers or something? Let me show it to y'all like this so y'all can see them. That's the ones I got. Yeah, awesome. We love a sample. Okay. Yeah, I gotta tidy up. I can't have all this stuff just makes my nerves bad, but here we are. small but mighty. Yes, the high-rise bum bag has returned for the third or fourth time I have bought it. This time I am keeping it, and that's that. That is that. Yes, I got a bum bag. I know, y'all. I just think it's gonna be perfect for travel. I can put a full-size wallet in here. It is not made in France or Spain or Italy. Every store that I checked with all had made in USA. It is what it is at this point. At this point, it is what it is. But that's the inside. Y'all know it comes with the strap. That's the card. The little card that you get. But yeah. And then here is the strap. Oh. Yeah. So. Yeah. I'm just like, oh, that was the only bummer to it. But I am excited about this one, y'all. Okay, how do I, hold on, I gotta see which way it goes. Okay, it go like this. Okay, there it is. Y'all see it? Yeah, so. Yes. Oh, I better, oh look, here's the little thing if y'all are looking for it. Yeah, so that's that. Then it has a back pocket. Phone can fit back there also. Yeah, and it is, I know I have to adjust this. Yeah, I know I have to adjust this. Okay, so let me stand up so y'all can see. Oh gosh, how much more can I adjust it? Okay, that is it on me. Put my pants up. But yeah, I think that is perfect. Great for travel. Some people wear it like this. Some wear it like that. Yeah, but yeah. I'm over the moon, y'all. Over the moon. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put this up. Y'all know it comes with the tag. No, tag say right there. Or just say Louis Vuitton. So that's that, guys. I just wanted to show it to y'all. I want to get a charm, but I don't know which charm. I saw the gummy charm at the store the other day, but I would like the green one. If I did get a charm, they only had the pink in there. I thought that was cute, but they would have to order the green. So I don't know. I gotta see other reviews on what people thought of the new little gummy charm, but it's cute. It's cute. But I tried some glasses on. I tried sunglasses on, and I tried the eyeglasses on, and I'm trying to figure out what I want to do. That's what I'm trying to figure out. So I'll put a picture here of me trying them on. Just trying them on. Trying to see how they fit, because they have Eastern and Western, and I have to try them on because I've learned, unless they are the unisex kind or the kind that don't have the Eastern or Western. I bought a pair of glasses before, and they were too wide across here, but they were the wrong kind. Stuck. And I think they were like $7.45. I'm not doing it no more. Stuck. Just didn't wanna bring them back, and just kept. Thank God for Fashion File, because I sold them to them. But goodness, they didn't fit. But these here, I'm just like, okay. So trying to figure out which ones I'm gonna get, which ones I'll wear more. I know I'll wear the blue light ones more. And I did ask my obstetrician, you know, like when she was like, oh yeah, those would be good, especially because you use your phone a lot. So I'm thinking, because the kids, you know, they ask me what I want. So I'm trying to figure out that now. Trying to figure that out now. So that might be what I get them to gift me. So I don't know. But let me show y'all what Ty picked up for me. We got matching these little things. Y'all see that? The little, I say they're little coin holders. Look at that. You just put little stuff in them. I just say a little coin holder. And they have this little thing at the back. So I guess you could put it on your wrist. I probably won't put it on my wrist, but I'll probably put some change in it and keep it in my purse. But I thought that was cute. Ty got one too. And then let me show y'all what else I picked up, because I was on a hunt. I even had my husband hunting, and I found one. It was far from my house, but I found it. The last one at that. Y'all see that? It's the cherry blossom. It's the Starbucks cherry blossom collection cup, and this is the only one I wanted. I didn't want the big cups because I got a bunch of those. I wanted this one so I can drink my coffee. I have it. And I will not be bringing these on my trips because I'm bad with leaving stuff. And no, this was a hunt. This was a hunt. So no, that is not going to be one to go. But I think that is all I had to show y'all. I do have stuff that I have to break down, but we're going to do that on the next video. I promise y'all. It is coming. It is coming. It is coming. Just got to breathe. Just got to breathe. It has been a week. It has been a week. So thank y'all. I don't know what that is. Thank y'all for watching, subscribing, commenting. Thank y'all from the bottom of my heart. I will be back on here. Y'all will see me again probably a couple times before my birthday. And I just want to tell y'all thank y'all. Thank y'all all for being here. Thank you for being a part of my community. And I will see y'all on the next video. Oh, and tell me what y'all think about the high rise. Do you have the high rise? A couple of y'all, a couple videos back was like, I don't have any issues with my high rise. I really like my high rise. Thank y'all. Highly influenced. Yep. Y'all know who y'all. I thank y'all. Okay, but I'll see y'all on the next one.